It took you long enough. Sorry. Today MRT breakdown. So I tried to get a bus and couldn't get any bus. So I tried to get Grab. As you know, Grab is getting more and more expensive, and it's raining day, so no Grab driver want to fetch me. So I took some time here. Sorry.
Are you sure you are a hitman?
Of course. I don't look like a hitman, man.
You look like a YouTuber.
Look like YouTuber, you must be kidding. You know, you went to Renopedia.sg, you search for the best hitman at the best price. Happen I'm the cheapest. So if I am the cheapest, you selected me. But then, I still can get things done. Because I'm the new age hitman. I get things done through AI, through technology. I'm a disruptor of this industry. To look at the 80s killer, really different.
Come, take this.
Ah.
And the gun, you will need it. Hey, that's my hit lah. Hey.
Okay.
You got 72 hours to complete the job.
Sorry, I don't need 72 hours. I only need 72 seconds. So wait for my good news. Yeah, the thing that you want.
So fast?
Of course! I am that fast! And your gun, I have no use for this.
No use, man?
Of course! You know, nowadays, technology can solve everything. You're just looking for home renovation. Just go to Renopedia.sg and send your code, and a few interior designers will call you and you got all the inspiration. Bro, Renopedia.sg, not hitman.sg.
Not hitman.sg?
Of course, flu can cure, fever can cure, stupidity can never cure. Oh yeah, my money.
I pay lah, you can?
Steady, immediately, like.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.